So go ahead, set these forward, okay? So you're hitting the chest, because this machine goes two different ways. Go ahead, have a seat. Make sure when you have the seat and you put your arms out, you want your hands lined up with the center of your chest. If you have to bring the chair up or down, go ahead and do that. Now, you want to hold it right in the center of each one, so it's in the center of your chest. Go ahead, grab it. Beautiful. Very important on this exercise. You got to tuck those shoulders down, get a slight arch in the center of your back so you keep your chest up all the way. Go ahead, bring it in all the way. Pause right there. So look at that. We got his hands in the center of his chest. Shoulders are down. He's looking nice and straight. Feet are planted on the floor. Abs are tight. Breathe in on the way down. You want to go to a 180-degree angle. So bam, right there. Elbows line up with the shoulders. Then you bring it in all the way. Elbows also are slightly bent on this. Wrists straight. Make sure it's not back or forward. Keep it nice and straight. When you get tired, what happens is your shoulders start coming out. We don't want that. You got to fight. It's those last reps that are going to build that chest and keep those shoulders down.